Have you ever felt like no matter how hard you try, success just seems to slip away? It's frustrating, right? Well, I decided to take a different approach and tried something unusual to see if it could really change my luck. Did you know that over 30 of people believe in the power of spells and rituals for achieving success? I mean, that's a pretty wild statistic, right? It got me thinking, could a simple spell really help open the roads to success? So, hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm diving into something a bit unconventional. I've decided to try a spell to open roads to success. Now, before you roll your eyes and click away, hear me out. Life can be tough, and sometimes we hit a wall when it comes to achieving our goals. I thought, why not explore this mystical side of things? I mean, what do I have to lose? If there's even a chance that this could work, I'm all in. Let me give you a bit of background. I've been struggling with my career lately. You know how it is trying to break into a competitive field, feeling like I'm constantly running in circles. And then there are personal goals that just seem to slip further away. I want to travel more, spend time on my hobbies, and just generally live my best life. But finances are tight, and it feels like every time I take a step forward, I'm pushed 2 steps back. It's frustrating. And I know I'm not alone in this. Many of you out there might be feeling the same way, whether it's related to work, personal growth, or just making ends meet. I knew I had to do some research before jumping into this spellcasting adventure. I spent hours looking into different spells and rituals specifically aimed at success. I found everything from prosperity spells to road-opening rituals. I even stumbled upon some ancient practices that date back centuries. There's this fascinating world of beliefs behind these spells, with roots in various cultures. For instance, some traditions emphasize the importance of visualization and intention setting, while others focus on specific herbs or colors that are believed to attract positive energy. It's wild to think about how many people have turned to these practices in hopes of changing their fortunes. And honestly, I started to feel a little inspired. I mean, if people have been doing this for ages, maybe there's something to it. The day finally came for me to perform the spell. I set the mood with some candles, soft music, and a little bit of incense. I was nervous but excited. As I stood there, I went through the steps I had researched, lighting candles, saying the incantation, and focusing my energy on what I truly wanted. I felt this wave of emotion wash over me. It was like I was pouring all my hopes and dreams into this little ritual. I remember thinking, this has to work. I closed my eyes and visualized the roads to success opening up in front of me. It was such a powerful moment, and for a brief second, I felt truly connected to something greater than myself. So, what happened after the spell? Honestly, I can't say I immediately saw a big change, but something interesting did occur. Over the next couple of weeks, I found myself being more open to opportunities. I started networking more, reaching out to people in my field, and even found a side gig that I'm really passionate about. While I don't know if it was the spell or just a shift in my mindset, I felt more motivated and aligned with my goals. It made me reflect on how powerful our beliefs can be, whether they're rooted in magic or not. I think the real magic was in believing that something could change. Friends, let's now understand how spells work in visualization and what is the science behind it. Spellwork, a practice often associated with magic and esoteric traditions, has a fascinating intersection with the power of visualization. While the mystical aspects of spellcasting may remain debated, the scientific underpinnings of visualization offer a compelling explanation for its effectiveness. At its core, visualization involves creating a mental image or sensory experience of a desired outcome. This mental rehearsal activates similar neural pathways as actually experiencing the event, making it a potent tool for manifestation. Several psychological principles contribute to the efficacy of visualization in spellwork. First is the law of attraction. This popular concept suggests that our thoughts and emotions can attract corresponding experiences into our lives. When we visualize a desired outcome with clarity and emotional intensity, we align our energy with that reality, increasing the likelihood of its manifestation. Second is self-fulfilling prophecy. Our beliefs and expectations shape our actions and interactions with the world. By visualizing success, we program our subconscious mind to seek out opportunities and behaviors that support our desired outcome. Third is the reticular activating system, RAS. This part of the brain acts as a filter, prioritizing information relevant to our goals and beliefs. When we visualize a spell's outcome, we prime the RAS to notice relevant information and opportunities that may have otherwise gone unnoticed. The placebo effect. The power of belief can have a tangible impact on our physical and mental well-being. When we believe a spell will work, we trigger a cascade of physiological responses that can support its manifestation. Friends, visualization isn't just a mental exercise. It has a profound impact on our brain structure and function. Research has shown that visualizing an action activates the same neural networks as physically performing it. This phenomenon, known as mirror neurons, allows us to simulate experiences in our minds and reap the benefits without the need for actual action. When we visualize a spell's outcome, our brains release neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin, which are associated with pleasure, motivation, and well-being. This chemical cocktail reinforces the neural pathways related to our desired outcome, making it more likely to occur. Additionally, visualization can enhance neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections. By repeatedly visualizing our goals, we strengthen the associated neural pathways, making them more efficient and accessible. Combining the psychological and neurological aspects, we can see how visualization can supercharge the effectiveness of spells. By harnessing the power of our thoughts, beliefs, and emotions, we create a potent energetic field that can influence our reality. Here's how you can incorporate visualization into your spell work. Set a clear intention. Define the specific outcome you desire to manifest. Engage your senses. Create a vivid mental image of your desired outcome, incorporating sight, sound, smell, taste, and touch. Evoke emotions. Feel the joy, gratitude, and excitement as if your spell has already manifested. Repeat and reinforce. Visualize your desired outcome regularly, strengthening the neural pathways and aligning your energy with your goal. By integrating scientific principles with your magical practice, you can create a powerful synergy that amplifies your intention and increases the likelihood of success. While the mystical elements of spellwork may remain shrouded in mystery, the science behind visualization offers a tangible explanation for its transformative power. So, what do you think? Have you ever tried a spell or ritual to manifest something in your life? I'd love to hear your stories in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more adventures into the unknown. Also, check out my next video where I'll be exploring more ways to boost your success and productivity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.